With the growing popularity of vacation rentals, the Airbnb business has become a very attractive option for people looking to generate income from their properties. For beginners, the idea might seem daunting, especially given the uncertainty of the current economic climate. But fear not, in today's video, I'll be offering a comprehensive beginner's guide to kickstarting an Airbnb business in 2023. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you stay updated with all my future content. Starting an Airbnb business is such an exciting journey, especially if you're into hospitality and entrepreneurship. It can also feel a bit overwhelming sometimes. But there's no need to worry. To set the stage for a successful venture, the first step is to grasp the basics of the platform and the vacation rental industry as a whole. Thankfully, there are awesome free resources out there, like YouTube resources just like this one. Continue searching and you'll find a treasure trove of information shared by experienced hosts. Learning these Airbnb fundamentals will set a solid foundation to understand how the platform works, what it takes to be a stellar host, and how to cater to your guests' needs like a pro. By taking the time to absorb this knowledge, you would feel more confident in navigating the ins and outs of the Airbnb industry, helping you avoid common pitfalls along the way. But knowledge alone is not enough. Taking action is equally important. As a beginner, do not hesitate to apply what you've learned in the real world situations. It's all about taking those small, actionable steps even while you're still in the learning phase. Also, embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Cultivating this habit from an early stage will undoubtedly be beneficial in the changing world of Airbnb. Once you've gained the knowledge, don't hesitate to put it into practice and be open to guest feedback. By doing so, you'll refine and enhance your hosting abilities, ultimately creating exceptional guest experiences that will set your Airbnb listing apart. Remember, it takes determination, patience, and a genuine commitment to learning to build a solid foundation for your Airbnb business. By incorporating these qualities into your hosting journey, you're paving the way to becoming a truly successful host. Moving on, when starting your Airbnb business, two big things to consider are picking the right location and understanding your target audience. Knowing your target demographic helps you tailor your listings to cater to their preferences. For example, when you decide to focus on just hosting families, you'd focus on properties with child-friendly amenities and nearby attractions suitable for kids. On the other hand, if you're going after business travelers, having a workspace and reliable Wi-Fi is key. And choosing the ideal location goes beyond mere convenience. It is important you choose a place that resonates with your guests' personal preferences and interests. It creates a special connection with potential guests, making your listings more authentic and appealing. To make well-informed decisions, I suggest that aspiring hosts should carefully weigh the pros and cons to find the best approach for their specific circumstances. Aspiring hosts must also thoroughly understand the vacation rental market and the pertinent regulations. Conducting in-depth research helps you make informed choices and ensures compliance with legal requirements. The vacation rental market is dynamic and it can vary significantly from one location to another. By analysing other Airbnb listings in your chosen area, you can gain valuable insights into the market trends, demand, and pricing strategies. In addition to market research, it's essential to know the local regulations governing short-term rentals. Each location may have specific rules and limitations, like the number of days a property can be rented out or caps on annual bookings. To avoid legal issues and potential fines, complying with these regulations is a must. As regulations can vary significantly between cities and states, aspiring hosts should seek guidance from local authorities or legal experts to ensure they are operating within the legal framework. Ignorance is no excuse, so it is crucial to conduct thorough due diligence. The next crucial aspect to consider when setting up an Airbnb business is financing. I think it's essential to explore different options based on your specific circumstances. First, get pre-approval from a lender by providing financial documents like income statements and credit scores. This not only helps you assess your affordability, but also strengthens your position during property negotiations. Traditional vacation home loans are a common choice for purchasing Airbnb property. They work like regular mortgages, providing the necessary funds for property acquisitions. Another option is rental arbitrage, where you rent a property long-term and list it on Airbnb for short-term rentals. This lets you generate income with minimal upfront investment, making it a creative financing approach. Seller financing is another alternative. With the property seller acting as the lender, it can offer more flexibility and negotiation opportunities. As you explore financing, keep in mind the importance of having financial padding. Having savings as a safety net is crucial to handle unexpected events or economic downturns. Becoming a pro at revenue projections and net profit calculations is key to running a successful Airbnb business. By mastering these financial aspects, you can make informed decisions and ensure that your financial viability of your venture. By mastering these financial aspects, you can make informed decisions and ensure the financial viability of your venture. Revenue projections involve estimating potential earnings from your Airbnb listing, analysing similar properties in the area, and staying on top of the market trends like occupancy rates and daily rates to help you set competitive prices. On the other hand, net profit calculations require deducting all property-related expenses from projected revenue. These expenses may include mortgages, payments, taxes, insurances, utilities, cleaning fees, and obviously maintenance costs. By accurately estimating these expenses, you can determine the net income you can expect from your Airbnb business. You can use online tools like pricing analytics platforms and financial calculators to aid in the revenue projections and net profit calculations. Staying updated with market trends and being prepared for unexpected fluctuations is essential in this ever-changing industry. Now that you've come this far, the next critical step is making offers and doing due diligence to acquire the perfect property for an Airbnb business. These steps are key to ensuring a successful investment and a fantastic guest experience. Making offers requires careful consideration and negotiation skills. It might take some patience and persistence, as the first offer might not always be accepted. Once your offer is accepted, the due diligence process begins, and this involves a thorough investigation of the property to assess its sustainability for an Airbnb business. Key factors to consider include the property's condition, compliance with local regulations, and its potential as a profitable Airbnb listing. Property inspections are essential during due diligence as they reveal any hidden issues or repairs needed. Verifying property titles ensures clear ownership status and avoids legal complications. You'll also want to consider the property's location, amenities, and appeal to your target guest demographic. While conducting due diligence, it's important to assess the property's financial viability. This includes calculating estimated expenses like property taxes, insurances, utilities, and maintenance costs. By comparing projected expenses with potential revenue, you can determine if the property is profitable. Staying diligent during this phase will give you the confidence to become a property owner and ensure a positive experience for your future guests. You're almost there. Keep up the great work. Next up, I'd be sharing the essential steps of preparing the property and creating compelling listings to attract potential guests and ensure a delightful stay experience. First things first, pay meticulous attention to detail when preparing your property for Airbnb guests. Professional photography is a must to showcase your property's unique features and amenities, leaving a positive first impression that entices guests to book. Ensure your property is in top-notch condition and equipped with essential amenities to provide a comfortable and enjoyable stay experience. Positive reviews and repeat bookings depend on it. Craft well-written and engaging descriptions for your listings, highlighting your property's unique selling points. Clear communication about the space, the amenities, and nearby attractions will attract the right audience and generate interest into your listings. You see why knowing your target demographic well is important? You will be able to tailor your listings to their exact needs and preferences. To streamline management, consider using software tools that automate messaging and calendar synchronization. Staying organized and responsive ensures seamless communications with guests. While you're at it, think about diversifying to other vacation rental platforms to reach a broader audience. But remember, focus on mastering one or two platforms initially to optimize your listings and avoid spreading yourself too thin. With these steps, you'll be well prepared to welcome guests and create unforgettable stay experiences. Finally, let's round up by talking about managing your Airbnb listing and the potential benefits of expanding to other vacation rental platforms. Effective management of your Airbnb listing is crucial for creating exceptional guest experiences and maintaining a positive reputation. Be proactive in responding to guest inquiries promptly and provide clear check instructions. Address any concerns with professionalism and efficiency too. It will foster a positive guest experience and encourage positive reviews. To make management smoother, you can use handy tools like Price Labs for dynamic pricing and Uplisting for clear messaging and calendar synchronization. These tools optimize pricing strategies and save time in managing guest communications and reservations. While managing effectively on Airbnb is vital, consider the perks of expanding to other vacation rental platforms. It broadens your property's exposure and reaches a wider audience. Just remember, there might be a learning curve, so it's wise to master one or two platforms first to focus your efforts and optimize listings. Keep an eye on the market trends, especially in uncertain times. Staying flexible and adaptable lets you adjust your strategies to cater to changing demands and stay competitive in the market. Lastly, I always say this, consider factors like financial padding and potential risks. Having a savings account and a contingency plan in place helps navigate challenges and uncertainties with confidence. With effective management and a strategic approach, any Airbnb business is set to thrive. And there you have it. I believe you have learned the essential steps to kickstart your Airbnb venture in 2023. By learning the basics, understanding the market, and following a step-by-step approach, you can embark on a successful and fulfilling Airbnb journey. With proper research, dedication, and careful consideration of the provided insights, the dream of running a profitable Airbnb business can become a reality for beginners in 2023. Like and follow for more. Take care.